Can they be inspired by the big home support? Wolves, of course, in the famous old gold shirts. Just 4 wins so far for Wolves this season. Dave Edwards' return is a big boost for Paul Lambert. Sheffield Wednesday denied by a late equaliser at Fulham last weekend, whereas Wolves' Achilles' heel has been conceding early in matches this season, which has given them a mountain to climb. So getting through the first 15 minutes or so could be key for Wolves. Here's Lucas Shaw. Forestieri leaving it for Kieran Lee. He's been a vital cog in Wednesday's midfield this season. Edwards here scrapping with Forestieri, and the latter comes away with it. He'll go for goal. It's a daisy cutter. And the first touch of the afternoon for Andy Lonergan. Positive start from Forestieri. The fans are already singing his name. No doubt about it, he is a crowd favourite. Saville. Price. Cody. Costa. And a chance for Wolves to bring it forward with Iorfa. Cody. Looking for the give and go, and he's got it. Lovely skill, Connor Cody. Brilliant skill to set himself up. A rather disappointing finish. Well, this would have been one of the goals of the season had Connor Cody managed to get this one home. Manages to juggle the ball clear of Glenn Louvens. And makes a right old mess of the volley. Reach. Hutchinson. Here's Lees. Spots Bannon out on the left. Delivers first time. Lovely cross! Nobody could get there, but Forestieri goes down, and that is a penalty. A penalty kick for Sheffield Wednesday after a foul on Fernando Forestieri. It was a lovely ball in initially from Bannon, and Doherty goes piling in to Forestieri. Wolves have had a habit of going behind early in games this season. Will it happen again? It's Forestieri. It is 1-0 Sheffield Wednesday. Another early goal conceded by Wolves. Forestieri sending Lonergan the wrong way. And Wolves yet again facing an uphill struggle. As Lonergan restarts the game. Stearman and Zhao are both back on. Hutchinson. And here is Lucas Zhao. Searching for his first league goal of the season. He did score in the cup. Sheffield Wednesday knocked out at Cambridge. There is Zhao in firmly into that one. And it's broken beautifully for Kieran Lee. And now Wallace and Forestieri's all alone in the centre if he can find him. This is Lee. Turn into the middle again. It's Barry Bannon! Delivered by Lee, and Bannon is totally unmarked. Manages to clear the crossbar with his effort. There's some surprise though that Wednesday didn't go out and sign another centre-back. Louvens has had his injury problems this season. Sam Hutchinson, as I mentioned earlier, has had to deputise on several occasions back there, and that's good chasing down by Forestieri, who suddenly is in. Lonergan coming out, squared across for Lucas Zhao, and Lee is arriving as well. It's 2! Barely half an hour gone, and Sheffield Wednesday are firmly in charge at Molineux. A nightmare start for Paul Lambert in this, his first home game in charge. And Wolves now have a mountain to climb. And Kieran Lee bags another one. Forestieri was looking for Lucas Shaw, who then spotted Kieran Lee, who steers into an empty net. Wolves 0, Sheffield Wednesday 2. How do Wolves come back from this? Price to take. Good elevation on it. Again, Sheffield Wednesday able to repel it. Held up brilliantly by Forestieri, and now he's going to send Wallace on his way, and the white shirts are streaming forward. Forestieri's in the centre. It's Ross Wallace. It's an own goal, is it? No. Well, it appeared to be. Courtney Hawes getting his boot to the ball. Sheffield Wednesday really should have made more of this as well. They could be well and truly out of sight. Wallace pulls it across goal. Real unsung hero. Wednesday midfield. Been in the goals again this season. 6 in each of the last 2. He's got 4 now, having got on the score sheet today. Budvarsson. Here is Noah Dicko. Budvarsson wanting it back. Dicko ignores him. Brings Doherty into it. Iorfa. Cody. Price. Iorfa getting there ahead of Luvens. Cody's cross. Not the greatest. Got a second go here. And again denied by Hutchinson. Now Forestieri. Didn't have the legs to find the right shirt. It's been a very good start to the second half, and Dicko could be in here. The angle is tight. And he's fired it over the top. Bannon. Lee away from Costa. Forestieri. Reach. Bannon lets it go. Forestieri. Reach. Fancies a runner. Iorfa pulled back for Bannon. Forced wide by Price. And Forestieri left it, expecting Bannon to get there. And it's resulted in Costa coming clear with the ball, but taken back by Luvens. Good football from the Owls. Wallace spots a gap, goes through it, has a go, and straight at Lonergan. And it did open up for Ross Wallace. They were unbeaten in their opening 6 games in all competitions, but only 2 wins in the 14 games since then, coming into today. Here is Cavallero. Edwards takes it on. Rolled into Dicko, who's got there ahead of Reach. Cody delivers. Edwards with a touch, and a goal chance here for Cavallero. He hasn't taken it. What an introduction that would have been. Fantastic chance for Wolves to get back into this, and with 13 minutes to go, this really had to go in. Cavallero somehow pulled it wide of the far post. Snapping at him. Got advantage from the referee, given away, and this is Adam Reach. Forestieri. Jinking away from Stearman and Cody. And finding Bannon. Wallace. Wednesday really put this game to bed once and for all. Pushed into Fletcher! Inches away from making it 3. Wolves were very nearly finished off once and for all here. Has gone for a corner, but Wallace, with the outside of the boot, plays in a delightful ball, and Fletcher just couldn't make contact. Cavallero. Reach sliding in. Hearing there'll be 5 minutes added on here. That is not a good header from Courtney Hawes, and Forestieri's in. And Lonergan is quick to get to the edge of his box. And Forestieri is always waiting for any kind of mistake to happen. And Lonergan, good goalkeeping actually from him. All his players have been working with a continental manager, trying to instill some British-style skills, rather difficult for them to adapt to as well. And now here is Doherty, turn it into the middle, and Caballero trying to round Westwood. He pulls off an excellent save to keep Sheffield Wednesday's clean sheet intact. Cody's cross, Westwood coming for it, getting a glove to it, and Stearman slices one back in, and this time Westwood can pull the ball into his chest. Well, he's not had much to do, Kieran Westwood, but when required, he's done his job brilliantly. And this was an excellent save. Caballero tries to go around the outside. Fletcher. Armour looking for Hutchinson. It is all over. It is 9 games without a win. And it is not the day of celebration that Wolves had hoped for, but Sheffield Wednesday can celebrate thanks to first-half goals from Fernando Forestieri from the penalty spot and Kieran Lee.